Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Maximize. Welcome. So today guys, I wanted to show off a couple of plants that I recently got as of yesterday. It's a bit of a plant haul. It's only 2 plants, but they're like big deals for me, at least personally. They're plants that I've been looking for a really long time, and ones that they always sell out, or they're like insanely overpriced. I can never bring myself to spend like an insane amount of money on like a tiny little plant that didn't even look good. You know, it was like that kind of situation. And I carefully looked through this one nursery near me. Okay guys, so the plants that I got, I can't even believe I got them both at the same time. So my first one is a Philodendron Birkin. So this plant has been like such a star on Instagram and Pinterest and everything. It's been one of those plants where people are like paying an insane amount of money for them. And I remember the only other time I saw Philodendron Birkin in person was at a nursery near my mom's house. $70 for a smaller plant than what I got. $70, you know, for a tiny little plant. And I just was like, I can't do it. Like, I don't want to do that. I can't spend it. If I'm going to spend that kind of money, I want it to be like monstrous. You know, I want it to be huge, like significantly matured, you know, but not for a baby plant. Like, I'm sorry, like I can't do it. This one was only $25, which is still kind of a lot for the size of it, but guys, that beats $70. I'll bet that a bunch of people are going to comment and be like, yeah, I've been seeing them at my Home Depot for like months now. I'm just like behind the trend of, you know, these Philodendron Birkins pack in the stores. I don't know, but I have literally never seen them. So I'm so excited about it. It's literally gorgeous. It has a new leaf coming in, guys. That is just insanely like perfect. It has a lot of variegation in its leaves. So it's getting whiter and whiter, and I'm keeping it in my south-facing window for now because I know that bright sun will really help it kind of adapt to my house. And it'll help it continue to grow, and that new leaf that's coming in can just unfurl and just be gorgeous all around. This is my 5th philodendron now. So I have a Philodendron Revolution, a Brazil, a silver-leafed, a neon, and now a Birkin. So I have 5 philodendrons now in my collection, and I'm just like over the moon. That's part of like the hunt, you know? It's like you want a certain plant, but you want it at the right time, in the right moment. So anyway, that's my Philodendron Birkin. That's my first score of yesterday, and I'm so excited. I haven't even repotted them yet. I plan to put them in like cute, like adorable pots, but I'm just giving them a sec to like settle into my home. I don't want to like shock them multiple times in the same day. So I'm going to let them settle in and stay in their nursery pots for a bit, but I needed to show you like ASAP. So guys, my next plant is one that I have like searched for so like far and wide across the internet. Every time I go to buy it on the internet, it gets sold out, or it's like really, really expensive, you know? And it's just one of those where when I saw it, guys, okay, so I was walking through the nursery like really slowly, just examining every single plant, and my boyfriend thinks I'm insane. You know, he's like, let's go, you know, let's move it along. Like, what are you looking at? They're just plants, pick one. And I'm like, they are not just plants. They are individuals, and I have to look at every single one. And other people definitely notice me. They're like, she's really looking at these plants. Like, what a weirdo. And I'm like, you know what? You don't understand. That's on you. Okay. So I'm walking through all the aisles, and I turn a corner, and there's one left of this plant, just one. And it's on like this little special tray, and that's definitely where they're keeping their rare plants. Like, and it's not always out, like they don't always have rare plants available, but I saw it and I was like, and I immediately snatched it because I saw someone else looking at it earlier. Like, I didn't notice what it was. I saw it and I snatched it, and I read the label and I was like, oh my. I got a Hoya Crimson Princess, okay? And it was only $20 for like a little, you know, thing. And I can't even tell you how stoked I was. My boyfriend was like, okay, relax, it's a plant. You know, there are bigger things happening in this world. And it's like, I know that, but like, this is a big deal for me right now. This is what I needed. I needed a plant that would just cheer me up and make me forget all the darkness around us a little bit for a second, you know? A Hoya Crimson Princess with its gorgeous, like, variegated leaves, the pink stems. I don't know why. I have the worst luck, like, finding this plant online even, like on Etsy, anywhere. Like, it was always sold out. And I think I was just looking at the wrong places at the wrong time. I'm sure there are people that are going to comment and be like, oh, I see them all the time. Like, blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, I know, but like, I don't get why it never happened for me. And I'm going to keep it on my plant table in my bedroom because it gets a great amount of exposure in the afternoon. It gets a lot of dappled sun. And it's gonna love that area. It's gonna be right next to its 2 Hoya sisters, because now I have 3 Hoyas. I'm like really building up my addiction, guys. It's getting really significant and real. So I have a Hoya Carnosa, I have a Hoya Macrophylla, and now I have a Hoya Crimson Princess. I shouldn't be this excited about plants, I know that. My other Hoyas are already putting on new growth quicker and quicker every week, it seems like. So this Hoya Princess is really gonna thrive here. This princess, I can literally call her a princess because she is a princess. Now, get some cuttings going. I'm gonna multiply. I'm gonna make it like this huge, gorgeous, hanging, you know, structure one day. It's gonna take like years, but I'm gonna get it there. That's my Hoya Crimson Princess, my gorgeous baby girl. And those are my 2 new plants, guys. I know it's only 2 plants and like you can't really call it a plant haul, but I mean, it's more than one. So it's like technically a plant haul, right? And these are like big deals. Like these are not very common plants, but they grow into just gorgeous beings. So anyway, I hope this video was entertaining, guys. Thank you ahead of time for congratulating me on this big day, for scoring these 2 beautiful plants. I hope you guys go check out your local nurseries and support them in this time. Buy so many plants. Like, what else can we do? You know, just buy some plants. Let them fill you with warmth and happiness, even just for a second, because we all need that right now. Anyway, guys, please subscribe if you haven't. Please like, please comment, and let me know what you want to see. And please turn on that notification bell so you know every time I post. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!